The next one up is Christina Stenberg. Christina Stenberg is the daughter of Einar Olsson, one of the renowned Olsson brothers from Sweden. The Olsson brothers, Einar and Carl-Erik, were the pioneers in yacht design and creating iconic yachts, such as the 5.5-meter yachts that earned international acclaim. These yachts remain celebrated for their craftsmanship and the performance in regattas worldwide. So, currently Christina is the team leader of the Olsson project initiative launched in 2018, and to digitally preserve and revive the legacy of the Olsson brothers. So, stage is yours, Christina. There we go.
Can I have 30 seconds to say thank you to the organizers? It's an amazing event you have here. And it's so lovely to see all the people here, the enthusiasm and the warm-hearted atmosphere we have here. Thank you so much. Yacht designers Einar and Carl-Erik Olsson form an essential part of the Swedish maritime history. Dad, do you hear me? So let's sail down the memory lane of their epic design. The Olsson project is reviving the legacy of Einar and Carl-Erik yachts. We are a crew of sailors who've spent 7 years chasing the secrets of Olsson's state-of-art design. During the 40s, national design contests and lotteries steered the Olsson design development. Focus was on coaster boats, a construction with deep roots within the Nordic boat-building traditions, back to the Vikings. In 1948, the Royal Gothenburg Yacht Club ordered a new dinghy from the design office, encouraging guys younger than this man to become sailors. The Olssons were driven by perfection without compromise. Motorboats were also found on the drawing board. Classic elegance, attention was devoted to every single detail. Oh, come on. The Formula One in sail racing was the international 5.5 Olympic era that spans from 1952 to 1968. Bronze medal here in Helsinki in 1952. My uncle Carl-Erik as crew. Olympic gold in Melbourne 1956. Sailors now lined up to order 5.5. At each Olympic, an Olsson design won a medal. The boat-building heritage of our family dates back to the 18th century. 1960, Olympic silver in Naples. 5 of the competing nations sailed an Olsson-designed 5.5. Denmark, Argentina, Sweden, Great Britain, and Portugal. Olympic silver in 1964 in Hiroshima, Japan. The Olsson brothers designed 6 of the 5.5-meter competing boats. The world-famous yards in Sweden pioneered the use of lighter woods, each shaped to minimum weight. Olympic bronze in 1968 Acapulco. 57 out of the total of 650 classic 5.5s are designed by the brothers. The ever-demanding US market asked for Olsson-designed family cruisers. This 35-footer turned to be an ocean racing yacht, again and again the top boat. Olsson 36 called the racing machine, thanks to successful racing results. In some races, they finished first, second, third. Constant refinements by tank testing. Olsson 41 is a great performer, offered in aluminium, in wood, in steel. In Fastnet race 1967, winner in its class. Today, a frequent winner of the Eggemoggin Reach Regatta in Maine, USA. Here is a 37-footer from 1967, long keel with a modern underwater design, called That Damned Blue Boat for her speed. Excellence in design, in craftsmanship, and in sail racing. Olsson 45 is a yawl built in aluminium. 1968, it was Einar's largest design, hull welded by Huisman in the Netherlands, ordered by the Hennessy family. This 34-footer was the winner of the Baltic race 1966, came second in total. A classic, long-keel, timeless design that still turns heads. Olsson 38, A Boat for All Reasons, wrote author and sailor Richard Henderson. With this model, Claire Francis won the Ladies' Trophy in the single-handed transatlantic race Ostar in 1976. And Marie, it was your father that was the total winner. In Rourke 600 Antigua race 2020, this modern version of the Olsson 35 came third. Boats from 1970 marks a new era, short-keeled GRP series produced. The Olsson design era spans over 6 decades, 55 boat models identified, and 57 5.5-meter designs. Boats built at 81 yards in 12 countries. The Olsson 36, this one, sailing under Finnish flag, is named Sisu. All of you Finnish people know what Sisu means. It means a unique mix of resilience, determination, and courage. And this also describes the personalities of the yacht designers Einar and Karl-Erik Olsson. Thank you.